Hello, artists. I'm Jock, and today we're going to draw something like this, or this, by using simple shapes like squares, ovals, circles, rectangles, and triangles. I'm going to show you the basics, then you can make yours however you like. The important thing is to have fun. Let's grab a piece of paper like this. And remember, don't draw on furniture or walls. Always draw on paper. Now pick out something to draw with. I'm going to use a marker and some crayons to color it. But you can use a pen, pencil, paintbrush, markers, or even your fingers. Use whatever you like. Are we ready to draw? Okay, let's start drawing a rectangle or a square. Go ahead and draw one on your paper, like this. Awesome! It doesn't look like a car yet, but it will. Now let's draw two circles for the wheels, like this and this. Good job. It's already starting to look like a car. Every car has a windshield, so let's draw a triangle to protect the driver from the wind. We could stop drawing right now if we wanted a convertible car, but let's keep our driver safe from the rain by putting a roof on our car. Let's draw a rectangle attached to the triangle, like this. It's looking great, don't you think? Okay, let's add some details, like a door, bumpers, and hubcaps for the wheels. For the door, let's draw two lines, like this. And we'll draw a small oval for the handle, like this. How does your car look so far? I bet it looks amazing. Now let's add the bumper by drawing small squares on the front and back of the car, like this. Wow, it's really starting to look like a car. Okay, let's draw two circles inside the wheels for the hubcaps, like this. Now let's draw two rectangles, or squares, or even circles for the windows, like this. Remember, you can draw your car however you like. It's all about having fun. Now the last step, which is my favorite, coloring. You can color your car however you like. Maybe your car is green or red. Maybe it has stripes. Maybe the wheels are purple and the bumpers are blue. It's all up to you. Amazing! Your car looks fantastic. Now it's time to show your parents and friends. Your parents can post your drawing on our Facebook page. And in our next video, we'll show some of our favorites. That's it for today's drawing lesson. We have more episodes coming where we'll draw an octopus, flowers, spaceships, and more cool things. Stop back and draw with me, Jock.
Beep, beep.